One bright morning, Bunno the bunny decided he would make the world's biggest carrot pancake. He pulled out carrots, eggs, and a huge frying pan. Binny watched nervously. "Bunno, last time you cooked, the kitchen looked like a carrot tornado." Just as Bunno cracked the first egg, giggle! A tiny baby boy named Leo crawled into the kitchen. He had sticky hands and the brightest, mischievous smile. His eyes landed on the big, fluffy pancake batter. Before anyone could stop him, splat! Leo plunged both hands into the batter and smeared it on his cheeks like a tiny carrot monster. Bunno tried to save the pancake, but Leo grabbed the spatula and swung it like a sword. Binny squealed as pancake batter flew across the room, onto the walls, the ceiling, and even the family dog. Suddenly, Bunno tried a heroic flip with the pancake, but Leo jumped, the pancake slipped, and flip! The pancake flew through the air and landed on Bunno's head like a floppy golden hat. Binny burst out laughing, Leo clapped with glee, and Bunno shook his head, pancake wobbling like a jelly crown. Even the dog joined in, sneezing pancake crumbs everywhere. By the end of the morning, the kitchen looked like a pancake battlefield. Parrots stuck in hair, batter on noses, and one very proud baby Leo sitting in a mountain of pancake pieces. Bunno sighed, Binny giggled, and Leo, well, he started another giggle-filled mess, ready for round 2. The moral, cooking with a baby is always an adventure.